In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly verification pending too long. So if the verification process is taking too long, it might be because of the document or the details that you have inputted. So how does the verification process work? So in here, you will need this to actually verify your identity. So you may need to answer questions, upload documents, or take a picture of yourself or your ID. You can see right here the list of accepted documents for your country or region. You can select from the country or region that you're using, and you can also choose a list for actual seafarers. So you should be able to verify your identity by uploading a picture of your photo ID, taking a selfie video, and answering your questions. So from in there, you can head over and complete this using the Secure Resolution Center. Once you receive a notification, you can follow the step by selecting the link on notification and opening the Resolution Center. Click on Complete Now and then upload all the requirements asked. So this should be able to speed up and also make sure that the verification process will not take too long. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.